Hello everybody and welcome to the Boutique Hotel Globe. Today, I'd like to suggest a few beautiful and unique boutique hotels, which are all located in the United Kingdom, globally famous for fish and chips, Big Ben, and their red buses. If you like this video, please subscribe and remember to turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss more videos on all the best boutique hotels around the world that each in their own way, is unique, fascinating, and ready to welcome you to create your best vacation memories. Let's begin with the King Street Townhouse, which is located within the Upper King Street Conservation Area of Manchester City Centre and is an impressive Italian Renaissance building, designed by local architect Edward Salomons. It was originally built in 1872 for the Manchester Salford Trustees Bank. The hotel is situated in Manchester and in 5 minutes walk from Manchester Town Hall. It has been updated to a modern standard while maintaining its unique and classic historic features. King Street is no ordinary address, and this is no ordinary hotel. It's a city residence for the inspired, a place where you can celebrate, dine and drink. You'll instantly feel relaxed in King Street Townhouse, a charming 40-room boutique hotel. From its infinity spa pool with a spectacular view of the town hall clock, and stylish public areas, to their bedrooms, where you'll struggle to leave. This is an indulgent retreat in the city center. The snug rooms feature an individual design and vary in size between 20 and 25 square meters. They feature goose-down feather pillows and a luxury double-pocket sprung mattress. The en-suite facilities include a walk-in rain shower, bathrobes, and ESPA toiletries. Similar to the snug rooms and although small, the cozy rooms are perfectly formed with comfort in mind, ideal for a short city break. There are goose-down feather pillows and a luxury double-pocket sprung mattress to ensure a comfortable night's stay. The comfy rooms are eclectic in design, pairing muted tones with designer wallpaper and luxurious fabrics. The room comes with a working desk area and soft furnishings paired with bespoke furniture. The Luxe Junior Suites located on the second floor are approximately 410 to 430 square feet. Spacious open-plan bedroom with intimate and cozy lounge area filled with elegant furnishings and bespoke furniture. It features a freestanding bath located in the bedroom, with an intimate lounge area. The Tavern is a contemporary all-day dining destination place to drink, dine and relax in. Serving British classics crafted from local, seasonal ingredients, alongside smaller sharing plates. The Tavern is Manchester's place to eat, sip and socialize on everyday occasions. On the 6th floor of the townhouse, you'll find the South Terrace and Lounge. This area is primarily used for private hire and is a welcome escape from the city below, where guests can sip and socialize while taking in the views of the Manchester skyline. With heating and a canopy, this area can be enjoyed whatever the weather. It would be a shame to visit the UK and miss the afternoon tea tradition. And if you're looking for somewhere to celebrate it, look no further than their dedicated tea lounge. This quiet corner is the ideal place to enjoy something sweet or savory, or sit with a coffee and watch the world go by. Their afternoon tea changes through the seasons, always using the best locally sourced ingredients to create an array of irresistible savory and sweet treats for you to savor and indulge in. The infinity pool is unique to Manchester. Located on the 7th floor, it combines sweeping views with indulgent relaxation. Step in, and let yourself float. There's no better way to admire the city skyline. Next, welcome to the Dixon, Tower Bridge, Autograph Collection, a place with intriguing heritage and contemporary character. Where the very best of London's SE1 is absorbed right into the building through the artwork, interiors, and vibrant atmosphere. It housed courtrooms, a police station, and jail cells in the 1900s, but now the whole building has been fully restored into a hotel, conserving key details and highlighting its Edwardian heritage. The Dixon is located in the beating heart of London's SE1. Visit the Maltby Street Market, which is only a small street, but is packed with delicious food options. Also, there's the Borough Market, London's premier food market, emphasizing high-quality food, sustainable production, and social connection. Then, there's Tate Modern, which houses the United Kingdom's national collection of international modern and contemporary art and forms part of the Tate Group together with Tate Britain, Tate Liverpool, and Tate St. Ives. A stay at the Dixon will not be complete if you skipped Tower Bridge. All the rooms here feature artwork that brings together avant-garde imagery and legendary local figures, alongside complimentary toiletries from local brand Murdoch London. Many rooms have original Edwardian features such as high ceilings, original decorative covings, and fireplaces. Their newly built rooms are contemporary spaces with grey timber furniture, bright fabrics, and blackened steel and oak accents. Not every stay will be the same, with rooms offering varied views of nearby and London's skyline. Provisioners offers decadent breakfasts, lunches to savor, and comforting dinners, alongside Moorish snacks and their very own shakedown coffee. Many ingredients are locally sourced, seasonal, and all are selected for freshness. It's food that highlights the best of British, nestled next to the very best Mediterranean flavors. The Dixon's Courtroom Bar is a cocktail bar like no other. Just take a look at the mugshots on the walls for proof. The original wood paneling remains, and the judge's bench has been transformed into a bar. Aside from delicious cocktails, you've got to try the signature espresso martini, made with their very own shakedown coffee. The hotel is rated 4.5 stars on TripAdvisor. Finally, we have Hotel 41 with a prestigious Forbes 5-star rating, which has been recognized as the #1 hotel in the UK for more than a decade. When you arrive at their private entrance overlooking the royal mews of Buckingham Palace, you will be welcomed with a personal check-in and a glass from their beautiful champagne trolley. Some reasons that you will love Hotel 41 are its prime location overlooking Buckingham Palace, a touch of old-world style and whimsy throughout the hotel, thoughtful services from the professional team to create the best possible experience. You also get to witness one of the most iconic happenings in London, only minutes from the hotel and classic, elegantly designed guest rooms with contrasting, eye-catching black and white tones. The Executive King Room comes with a marble bathroom and luxurious toiletries. These rooms offer mahogany furniture. Some have views of Buckingham Palace mews. Guests are offered complimentary snacks in the Executive Lounge during their stay. Spend a night in glorious black and white themed sophistication with beautiful mahogany furniture, marble bathrooms with luxurious toiletries. The split-level junior suite gives you plenty of room to relax and indulge. There is a luxuriously seductive bedroom. On the lower level, a spacious lounge for relaxing, eating, and entertaining. The Executive Suite is a suite in which you can mix business with pleasure. A set of double doors separates your bedroom and private bathroom from your lounge and its own adjoining bathroom. Both rooms have their own entrances. When you close the double doors, you create an independent space with its own seating and dining area. There is nowhere else in London quite like the Conservatory Master Suite. Where else could you sleep in such opulent luxury beneath the twinkling city stars? A wood-carved bed is positioned beneath a glass roof, offering breathtaking views of the star-lit sky. If you tire of the view, electric blinds turn your split-level suite into a private paradise, complete with a marbled bathroom and whirlpool bath. You can either enjoy breakfast in bed or at the Executive Lounge. Breakfast is served to your schedule in the lounge, perfect for both early birds and late risers. The relaxing private club environment makes breakfast a leisurely affair, whether in the summer, with the windows thrown open to the breeze, or in winter in front of the open fire. The curry room at the Rubens at the Palace, adjacent to Hotel 41, serves an inspired 3-course menu created by chef Arun Kumar. BBAR and Restaurant, facing the royal mews of Buckingham Palace, is a wonderful South African-themed venue. It's an elegant mix of safari chic and colonial cool, with a resident DJ and an exceptional menu of signature dishes. For the best tours, don't hesitate to ask their concierge, who will gladly recommend your ideal trip around London and England. Experience the best that Britain has to offer, from palatial country homes to quaint country villages in the Cotswolds and historic Windsor, Stonehenge, Bath, Oxford, and more. All tours are operated to the highest quality standard by a luxurious fleet of state-of-the-art air-conditioned coaches. You will be accompanied by expert local guides, whose wealth of knowledge and experience will ensure you have a day out to remember. Hotel 41, London, has a 5-star rating on TripAdvisor. I hope you have enjoyed these selections of gorgeous boutique hotels, which are all located in the United Kingdom. Please remember to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you don't miss more videos with interesting facts and information to help you plan your next holiday destination and vacation. Do check out more clips like the one you just watched on this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.